Hey traders, it's Roberto, and this is the Pro Traders Workshop video series. And I'm going to go over strategies that a very high probability, you may say. We're looking at a 1 hour chart. So let me get started. And these were trades that one of our students, Jessica, sent me. Um, and she's been a student for about 2 years now, using my techniques, and just took it to a whole nother level. So just let me just show you. And she sent me her stats. Let me go over the trading strategy. So I'm going to use a few different currency pairs, and I'm going to toggle back and forth from the jackhammer on the MT4 platform and the Smart Trader platform that I use. Okay, so today she sent me a few signals. One was here we have notice we have a morning star at the bottom of the jackhammer. So I switch over to the MT4 platform and I see the same thing. And we also see the FX advisory indicator giving us a morning star. There's two entries actually for trading. The more aggressive is actually taking a trade right at the bottom of the jackhammer. And notice that the stochastics indicator is oversold. And this is very crucial. You cannot take a trade at the bottom of the jackhammer if stochastics is overbought, because chances are it's going to break right through and recalculate the jackhammer, the channel lines. So stochastics is oversold. Advisory indicator 3 is giving us a buy signal. And then even if you waited this is a 3 hour period that gave us a nice morning star, has established a support. And notice how many hours pound dollar went up: 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, all the way up to the top of the other channel, the other side. Count the number of pips. That's about 75 pips. Would be nice to make 75 pips on a trade based on real solid analysis of the markets. Okay, so that's the trade that was taken down here, right there. Okay, so she uses Smart Trader platform and the MT4, and she toggles back and forth to look for trade setups. Okay, 1 hour chart, and as long as stochastics is overbought and oversold, there's a trade to take. Okay, you just have to take advantage of the advisory indicator 3 and jackhammer, because they do really help. There was a trade signal all the way up here. Notice the jackhammer candlestick patterns is like what railroad track. And again, you need 3 or 4 reasons to take a trade. You cannot take a trade just based on one thing. And in this particular trade that she took, advisory indicator was giving us a sell signal, and price was at the top of the jackhammer, and stochastic was oversold. I'm sorry, overbought. And she rode this thing all the way down to the bottom, and that was about 115 pips. Okay, let me show you a couple of more trades that she sent me. And some of these I took myself because I saw the same thing. Here was the last one that she sent me. I was not at my computer. I left my office and went and did some errands. But when I got back, I saw that she had sent me this trade signal down at the bottom to buy the euro dollar at the bottom of the channel at the end of a trading. Well, how many hours is this? This is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this was like 12 noon, and I had left my office by then, and then I'd closed the trade room by 11 o'clock Eastern. So let's go to the euro dollar, and there it is. There's price at the bottom of the jackhammer. Stochastics is oversold. Okay, and nice bullish engulfing, and nice sort of like a morning star. And I think she made like I don't know, how about 40 pips on this trade. It went up about 66 pips. 2 trades over 110 pips in a matter of a few hours. Okay. And then the other one was gold, which I did take because I did come back home after running errands, and it was I think around, or let me see, 4:32. Yeah, this was around noon. I did this on my phone. I got the signal from Jessica and saw that she was looking to buy gold at around 11, 12 o'clock noon, because when gold either sells off or rallies around lunchtime in the US, it reverses. Okay, so let's look at gold on the MT4 platform, and notice we had advisory indicator giving us a buy signal, price hit the bottom of the channel, and we had stochastic was oversold. Okay, and the other trade that she sent me was Aussie yen. She actually sold it at the top at the end of the day, which is about 3. I'm not sure if she's still in that trade, but it was a great trade. Now it's the candle, and she actually took it at the top of the jackhammer. So that stochastic is overbought, but now look what we have, an evening star. So coming into a new trading day Monday, this should just turn around and head south. Stochastic's overbought, evening star, top of the jackhammer. Um, One of my best students. I mean, she really worked hard in the beginning when she started. She didn't know anything about Forex or even financial markets as a whole. But she studied hard, and after about 3 months, she got it. She took the private coaching session course, the Pro Traders Workshop, and never looked back. So this was Aussie yen. Let's look at Aussie yen. The reason I use the Smart Trader platform, because it's so much easier for me to read the candlestick patterns. And there it was. There was a trade right there. Okay. Stochastic's overbought, taking the trade right at the back side of this jackhammer, the trend line that what goes all the way back to, see that trend line? Just go all the way back to the 31st of August. So if you don't have the jackhammer, you can manually just um, draw it right there. So you know that, look how many times price kept on bouncing off the trend line. And then there was a final one there, and at the same thing on the bottom. Okay. So, there you have it. That's the Pro Traders Workshop video series. I'm going to continue to make more videos for our participants in the Pro Traders Workshop private coaching sessions. Have any questions, just email me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see everyone in the trade room on Monday.